Okay, so I've just finished coating a table with our Fiddes hard wax oil in silk, and I've got about 3/4 of the tin left. I'm not planning on using this for quite a while, so what I'm going to do is to decant it into one of our Stoploss bags. Stoploss bags come in a pack of 4 bags, and they can hold up to 1 litre size in there. They will reduce the evaporation and oxidation of any product that you put in there, whether it's hard wax oil or other products as well. So it basically will keep your finish fresher for longer. Now, if I was going to pop the lid back on this and then pop it in our shed and then pull it back out, maybe I don't want to use it again for another year, I would probably find that the top has skimmed over. The beauty of hard wax oil is you can freshen it up. However, you can avoid that happening by using one of these. I'm also going to use one of our collapsible funnels. Now, this one, as you can see, it's quite dirty. It's been used lots and lots of times. They're obviously reusable. Once the interior has dried off, you can peel it all out to clean it up. Now, these fit over 1 litre size tins. Obviously, 1 litre tins come in various shapes and sizes. So sometimes they're a little tricky, sometimes they're not. So let's give it a go. So we'll get that all the way over the tin. Make sure that it's all covered, which it is. Now we're going to open up our StopLoss bag, and we're going to put that in here because that is perfectly designed. Well, actually, what I like to do first is to pop a little bit of air in it. Just to open up the base. It's just what I like to do. Okay, now we know that's on there. Now, simply tip it over. It's a little bit like milking a cow. The other way you can do this is you can use one of the filler clips and attach it to the side of a bench and just pour it in using a funnel. We do sell a funnel adapter set as well. That fits perfectly into the top of this bag, and then any funnel can fit into it. We've still got more coming. Massage that out, make sure we get all of it in there. We don't want to waste any of it, obviously. It's the whole idea of using the bag. Yeah, we've still got some more coming out. Very, very easy to do. So these can be used for any oil or water-based or alcohol-based finishes. And they can be reused. We might be getting close to the end. A little bit more coming out. We're coming to the end now, I can hear it. Okay, take that off and we'll just squeeze out any air, pop our lid on. Now we do sell extra caps as well if you break any of your caps, but the beauty of this now is that next time I want to use it, I'll just open this up and I'll just squeeze it out into a, especially if I'm doing something small, I can just squeeze it into a small container. I will now go and write the product on here, which is Fiddes hard wax oil in silk, and today's date so that I know when I decanted it. But yeah, that's what you can do to help retain your leftover product for longer. I hope that's been helpful.